If you want visitors to email you with a single click, adding a click-to-mail link or button in WordPress is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how to set it up in minutes. First, open your WordPress site and head to the homepage. In the top right corner, click Log In. When you're asked how you want to sign in, choose Continue with Google and select the Google account that's connected to your WordPress site. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the Quick Links section and click Edit Site. This takes you into the editor where you can work on your current website. If you manage multiple sites, just select the one you want to edit from the list. WordPress will load that project in the editor. Now decide where you want your click-to-mail link. Maybe it's on a Contact Us section, a button, or a line of text in your footer. Highlight the exact text you want to make clickable. When it's highlighted, a small toolbar should appear. Click the link icon. It looks like a chain link. In the link field that pops up, type the proper email prefix. Mail to. Don't skip the colon. This is what tells browsers and devices to open an email app instead of a web page. After typing mail to colon, select the suggestion that says mail if it appears. Then click the pencil icon next to the field to edit the details. Now type the full email address you want people to contact, like mail to colon your name at example.com. Double check that everything is spelled correctly. When that's done, hit save or apply. The highlighted text is now a working mail link. Anyone who clicks it will instantly open their default email app with your address pre-filled. Super convenient and professional. To turn it into a button instead of plain text, use a button block or element in your editor. Add your text like email us. Then apply the same mail to link using the link settings. And that's it. You've just added a fully functional click to email link or button to your WordPress site without any plugins or coding. If you found this helpful and want more quick WordPress tutorials, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.